see.
Yeah.
Okay, Emmett.
No,
Leave it.
no.
Thank you. Leave it, baby. No, Emmett, leave it, baby. No, leave it, honey. Leave it. Emmett, leave it. I know you can do it. You can't touch electricity, Steve.
Mother, just stand up.
No.
It's making a great noise.
Yes, he's loving it. He's
The
loving it.
neighbors would not like that.
No, he does not like that, but Emmett's smiling right away. Look at that little mouth.
Oh, we're standing up.
Oh yeah, we can stand pretty well. We can do steps too, though. We don't walk, we can do steps. All right.
All right, stay out of that.
Okay. Hands up, hands up, hands up that. That's it. That's it. What's going on outside, Emily Rose? What's going on outside, Emily Rose? Where you going, little lady? Look at him. Look at that little mischief face. Alright, guys.
I haven't cleaned out this. It's dusty.
Hmm? What's that?